OpenAI finally enabled computer use for Codex, and I'll show you how to install. Let's go. You need to allow devices to control this computer. At first, you're gonna get the QR code and you're gonna go to your mobile phone and click on the QR code, take a picture of it. It will take you to Codex mobile app, and you're gonna need to re-authenticate your Codex app. And now you're going to be entering your email address here once more. You can use your email or log in with your Google account, and you're gonna authorize Codex on the device. You're gonna reconnect to Codex desktop. Now you need to go back to your desktop Codex. It's gonna show you that you're connected. You can keep your PC awake and enable computer use. It's gonna install it as a skill, and that's about done. If you see under connections your Android phone or your iPhone, that means your Codex app is working with no problems. Subscribe to GxlTechAI for weekly AI tutorials and how-tos.